Yes, but why do some people sneeze when suddenly stepping into bright light? This quirky reflex, called photic sneeze reflex, happens in about 10 to 35% of the population due to crossed nerves. Scientists think a misfiring mix between the optical nerves and the sneeze center in the brain triggers the urge. There's no proven cure, but people often learn to blink and breathe through the urge to keep the moment harmless. So next time the sun blinds you and you nudge a sneeze, remember your genes are just remixing your nerves.